What's up guys, today I decided to review this website called GPT Planet. You are watching this video because you want to know how this website works. The website claims to pay people for doing a small task online. As you can read here, earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join and it's completely free. There are hundreds or thousands of this website on the internet, and I have reviewed many of them on my website. The question might be, is it worth it to spend time on those websites? Are those websites legit? Is GPT Planet a scam or legit? I will answer those questions in this GPT Planet review and how you can make money with this website. By the way, if it's your first time to my channel, my name is Frank Chanda. I'm an online entrepreneur and affiliate coach. I give tips and training on how to build a successful online business with affiliate and internet marketing. I also review other programs that claim to help people to make money online. Therefore, you need to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification next to it. Whenever I upload new video, you will get my notification. One reason to subscribe to my channel, you will never be broke again, and my channel will help you to avoid scam online. If you are serious about making money online, you need to come out of your comfort zone and follow all the instructions I'm giving you guys, and mostly take action. If you don't take any action, you won't gonna achieve anything. No action, no game. Before I start reviewing this website, I need a big favor from you guys. Please like this video. It's just for the YouTube algorithm. YouTube like are for free, guys. Show me some love by smashing the like button. I will also take this time to introduce you to my top recommendation platform that will teach you step by step on how to build a revenue website and start making money online. You are here to know how you can earn money with GPT Planet, right? It won't hurt you if I show you another best alternative to GPT Planet. When I started this online journey, I wasted a lot of time on some website, completing survey, watching video, and do other tasks that pay little to nothing. I was just like you guys, and I realized that people who are making the most money are the one who owns a website. They create a website and find people like you and me who need some extra income and pay them little money while they are making a lot of money using your time. So Web Affiliate will teach you how to save the time that you are spending on other people's website and earn little money and work on your own website and make passive income. Web Affiliate is the online platform with over 2 million of members from around the world. You can talk to them, ask them any question. They are willing to assist you in your online journey and build a solid foundation and make money and make passive income. Web Affiliate is a one-stop shop for internet and affiliate marketer. You'll get a step-by-step training and tools that will help you to build your online business at the comfort of your home using a laptop and internet connection. If you are looking for a way to make money from home and you are willing to put some work, this platform is for you. I'll put a link in the description so you can try it out for free. No credit card required, and if you join through my link, I will be your coach and I will help you to start this online journey and build your first website and start making money online. Now let's jump into GPT Planet and see if it's what you are looking for, or you're gonna jump on my top recommendation training platform and learn how you can build a stream of income online. Guys, as you can see on my screen, this is GPT Planet. GPT Planet is a website that rewards people for doing small tasks online. You can get paid just by viewing advertisement. You can see here, view advertisement, refer new members, and complete small tasks. With this website, you can view advertisement. You can refer new member to this website and earn small money. You can also complete offer and earn small money with this website. You can see the amount of money this website have paid people since the creation of this website, and also the amount of members have registered with this website. You can see here they say register for free. You can come and register with this website. It's completely free. You can come here and put your full name,
username, password, date of birth, just your email address. Just complete this form and register, and you'll be ready to start. You start making some small extra income with this website. So how this website work? There are many people who have website. They want to advertise their product online, so they fund a website like GPT Planet to advertise. They pay a small amount to GPT Planet to find people like you who are interested to earn small money online by viewing ads. You can see all of these are advertisements. When you register with this website, you will start clicking this ad, and GPT Planet will pay you a small money. You can see here, earn up to 0.01 per click. You will earn this money per every click that you click on this ad. You can see here, if you come and you see there's a lot of ad that you have to click. See here how much you're gonna earn if you are a free member. GPT Planet also have a pay membership, so you can upgrade your membership if you want to earn a little bit more. The membership starts from $5 per month up to $300 per year. If you want to earn a little more, you can upgrade your membership. Before you upgrade your membership, you need to ask yourself, is it worth it to invest in this website? As you can see here on Trustpilot, they have only 4 reviews, as you can see here, and this is their rating. So you can go down and see this person said that GPT Planet is a waste of time. I agree with her, because completing small tasks on this website is not worth it. You can see how much you can earn on this website, and then you need to watch almost, and you need to click almost 100 ads to make $1. So it will take a lot of time, and then you need to watch those ads for 10 to 15 seconds. It will take a lot of time just for you to cash out. You can also refer your friends. If you know a lot of people who are interested to earn few dollars or online, you can also refer them to this website. You can see here, and up to 100% referral earnings. But also again, if you are a free member, you're only gonna earn 10% of what your referral earn. You can calculate the 10% of 0.01 per click and see how much you're gonna earn if you refer your friend to this website. The other problem, again, you won't gonna make a lot of money with this website, because some of the people, they will see the amount of time they need to put on this website to earn money, and they will see that is not worth it, and they will quit along the way. You can also check the proof of payment here. You see, as you can see here, there are people who are earning on this website. You see how much these people earn. You see, I earn $48, $2, $18, $9. You see, this is a people are showing the payment proof, so you can see that this is. So if you are asking yourself, is a GPT Planet a legit? Yes, GPT Planet is legit. You will get your money, you will get paid for every task that you complete. You can see this website when you look on who is the website was registered in 2010. So you can see the website is 11 years old. You can trust this website if you want to make money online. If you are asking, is GPT Planet a scam? GPT Planet is a legit website. You can register for free and start making money on this website. Is GPT Planet worth your time? So it also depends on what you are looking for. So if you are looking to make some extra income, yes, you can try this website. You need to click 100 ad and watch it for 10 seconds for you to make $1. So, and then you can see on Trustpilot, this person has said that GPT Planet is a waste of time.
I hope you got all the information you need, and I also hope this review help you to make an informed decision. If you are still looking for a similar website that pays a little more than GPT Planet, I would suggest you to try Survey Time, Tambox, Ysense, Swangbass, and PayViewPoint. The combination of those websites will help you to earn a bit more but do not expect to quit your job or rely on those websites to pay your bills. I will put a link in the description. I will put a link in the discussion to try those websites out. It's completely free to sign up and start completing some small tasks online and earn some extra income. If this video was helpful to you, please like and share it with your friends and family. If you are serious and you want to learn how to make passive income online, you can check my top recommendation platform. I'll put a link in the description and start your training for free. You can also find some useful books in the description that will help you a lot if you want to start your online business or you want to become an entrepreneur. To make money online or start any business, you need to change your mindset. I have selected my top 10 books that I read on a daily basis. Those books help me a lot as an entrepreneur, most definitively change my mindset. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for a new video. Thank you for watching. Until next time.